Okay, attempt number one. I'm going to try to disprove the theory here and show you that it's safe to put metal inside the microwave without starting a fire. So let's pour a little bit of water in the cup here. Ordinary spoon, metal spoon. Oh, I guess I should open the microwave first. Okay, spoon is inside the microwave. Let's put this on for 20 seconds just for good measure. And let's see what happens. Okay, so far so good. Nothing catching on fire. Nobody's dead yet. And yeah, seems like I was right on this one. So yeah. I don't know what else I can say, but yeah, I was right.